You have options to set the quotation expiry days in the system, and the system automatically expires those quotations which reach the expiry days. You can set the quotation validity days at the master level by going to the more menu on the top right, and then go to the admin section, and under the sales tab in the sales section you have the quotation uh, section, and the quotation section you have, if you go down, you have option for the updating the quotation validity days. So when you update the quotation validity days, you can also expire the existing codes. So the existing codes which are created exceed the validity days, then you can those codes will be expired. Or if you don't want, you can just leave them as is and then click save. And also when you save the quotation, if you want the quotation validity days to be extended whenever you update the quotation, you can do it here. If you set the number of days here, so whenever you update the quotation, then the quotation expiry date will be extended by the number of days mentioned here. And whenever you create the quotation, it will go and take the expiry date based on the number of days given in the master. So I'll just go and create a quotation. And so when I select the create the quotation, so it will have the expiry date in the bottom, and also in the quotation PDF it will show the expiry date. And if you have the permissions, you can change the expiry date here. So if you don't have permissions, you can't change it. Quotation created user will receive an email reminder about the expiring quotations, and the number of days to remind before expiry can be set in the schedulers by going to the more menu again, under admin section, and go to the scheduler and search for the quotation expiry notice. So in the quotation expiry notice, you can set the number of days here. So the number of days will be uh, said. So the before those many days, the quotation expiry notification email will go to the creator of that quotation. So the system sends reminders for all the quotations which are expiring in the set days in here. Once the expiry date is reached, then the quotation will be expired and you can't make any changes to that quote. For example, this is the quotation, one of the quotations which got expired because the expiry date is reached. And once the quotation is expired, you can't make any changes. You can for that particular quote. And if you want the same quotation, you can go and copy the quotation, and you also will have option to get the price from the master in case the price has changed. So you can just copy the same code with the same price. You can uncheck that and copy the quotation. So once it's created, so the new quotation will be created with the same all the inclusions and upgrades, and then the quotation expiry date will be set. A new expiry date will be set.